Welcome to my new kitchen in Malibu. I'm so happy. It's a beautiful, beautiful house. Have a pool now. So Tonka, my little pit bull, 1 year old, he's over the moon. He's in the pool every day. You see my Instagram and behind the scenes on movie sets or in the gym or even me driving around in LA. You'll see that I always have a big jug of muscle juice. Some people take it because they believe it helps with the muscle maintenance, helps in performance in the gym. I mainly take it so I don't crash when I wake up and I don't eat my first meal until 1, 2 o'clock after waking up at 8 a.m. If I take branched-chain amino acids all through the day, I don't get hungry and I don't dip in my blood sugar levels, so I don't space out, I don't feel queasy. So this is why I take it. As I've mentioned before, when I get up, I'll go to the gym and I'll train straight away, and I probably won't have my first meal, breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it, until about 2 o'clock, 1 or 2 o'clock. Here's how I make it.
Mongal. A peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is no cure, to heal is my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin. Attack like a...
Fill it with filtered water. Gotta see my dog. Okay. Of course, when I'm trying to film a YouTube, my dog is running around. And okay. Oh, yes, that's Tonka. All right, let's get back to making the branched-chain amino acids. Here's my jug full of filtered water. I use Extend branched-chain amino acids. Make sure you don't get the one with the Go because that's caffeine, and I drink this 24/7, so I do not want to be having caffeine late at night, middle of the night. Not a good idea. I did that mistake once before. So make sure it's the caffeine-free version. Extend. I've been using this probably 12 years. Since my Singapore days, I've been using Extend. So 2 scoops of that. 1 squeezed lemon, or you can get this in Whole Foods and there's nothing else but pure lemon juice. I really like the convenience of this. 1 of that. And a splash of apple cider vinegar. Just to take the sweetness away and also the benefits of apple cider vinegar. A little stir. This stays in my fridge and I drink this 24/7. When I'm out, I use this. This is frozen. I'm gonna go to the gym now. So open this up and I'm just gonna top it up from here. I'll drink that, come home, and probably be around here somewhere, and I just top this up, have that ready for the next day. And then when I'm home, I keep refilling this and just drinking this all for the day. This when I'm out. I keep getting asked about this recipe, especially my friends in the gym and on sets. I don't actually drink water, I drink my muscle juice, which I call it, all through the day to get the extra benefits and the extra flavor. Now, let me go and take you on a house tour. So this is the kitchen. It's my assistant. Yes, he sits weird. He sits like an old Italian man. This is my office. I put it on the end of the kitchen, make it more livable area. I have some of my magazines and awards and stuff up there just because, you know, in my line of work, all you get is constant rejection. And this kind of keeps me motivated to what I've achieved, what I can achieve, and, you know, just remember who the F you are. And even though you're getting told no every day, just look up and just keep going and striving, and, you know, just a bit of motivation. It's my boyfriend's office. He used to give out all the stars. He was the chairman of the Hollywood Chamber, and he used to run some studios. And this is a dining set. This was not my choice, but look at the thrones. We have 6 thrones around a table. So my boyfriend saw this in a house that we viewed that was for sale, and we didn't put an offer on the house, but we put an offer on the dining set because he just thought it was like Game of Thrones. This was from Indonesia. They flew it over to the US, and now it belongs to us because they accepted our offer. I love going to thrift stores and vintage stores and finding some great different unique pieces. My weapons up there. Let's take you to the best bit, the pool. Again, at my feet. Every second. favourite bit. It's the pool. We also have a garden area up there. Very cool. Go swim. Go on. Oh yes. Go and get it. Go and get it. Come here. Come on. Oh yeah, you're like a seal. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Good boy. Look at you go. Oh wow, Tonga, you're so amazing. You're so amazing. Still swimming. Still swimming. We can't touch the floor. And he's still going. He's still going. Wow, such a strong swimmer. Yes. Now he's getting out. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Wow.